Once I started coming, and the maintenance side of it with the massage versus the chiro and that, I have seen the fact that I'm not getting injuries. And I hadn't been to a chiropractor at all, and somebody said it'd be worth going. I didn't think there was anything particularly wrong with me, but I went and there was a massive difference.
I think it's hard to watch someone that you love constantly in pain, or even not constantly, intermittently in pain, and not be able to do anything, because there's only so many times you can say, oh. What we have found is that chiropractic and massage therapy work very, very well together. To see them a few weeks later, how it's not just their pain or discomfort or mobility that has improved, it's everything that offshoots from that. So it's everything about the fullness of their life is back to where it was before the pain became debilitating.
We have an adjustment once a month and a massage once a month. I want the last 10 or 15 years of my life to be without pain.
Yeah, when she gets me on the table and stuff, and she's going, that bit's a bit tight. I'm going, yeah, you're right.